Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm. Come take a test drive today.